Over the summer, I was at my friend's house. We weren't doing anything particularly crazy, relaxing, sitting down, chilling, as friends do. One of our friends came over, Danny, and he had a vintage camera. Didn't think much of it. It's a camera, you can take a picture here or there. That's cool. But it got me thinking. This is this summer we're talking about. So, I'm a freshman. Senior year just ended for me in high school. And the adjustment from senior year to freshman year in college is big. A lot of people feel like, I mean, me included, that summer is very relevant because after things are over, your whole dynamic changes. People go away, family members may grow distant. Your relationship with people changes essentially. So I saw that camera as an opportunity to take pictures and capture them, memories I can look back on with my friends and family and really cherish. I went over to Walmart. I couldn't find an actual vintage camera, so I got a Polaroid, close enough. Things look vintage. And I also got this binder, which is my object. The camera's cool enough, but this is where I keep the pictures. If we actually take a look inside, you can see she's filled up with some pictures and whatnot. If we take a look at the pictures, number one, it's my binder. I gotta have a picture of myself in there. There I am, looking nice and handsome. Got my baby boy, my dog. You know, I gotta have him. Come on, look at him. Can you see him? He's adorable. Got my lovely lady. Take a flip to the next page. This page means a lot to me. I know you guys can't really see the pictures great, so let me paint you a picture. Here we are at my friend's house, nice warm summer night. Got a couple of drinks, open the fireplace, stick a marshmallow or two, cook a s'more. It's nice little things like that that you look back on, you remember, and even talking about it now makes me smile. I mean, it's beautiful. Like, it's a little corny, but like, come on, who doesn't love a good memory like that? You know, I got my friends on there too. Next page, ooh, this is my favorite page between you and me. If you look over here, this is 4th of July, fireworks are lighting up. Got a nice little romantic kiss. You can really see the sparks were flying. All right. Next page, some more 4th of July action going on. Great memories to look back on. I want to be here all day long. Another great one. I mean, really, this is a good one. So I'm driving by, I'm in the car with my friends. We're passing Best Buy. New Chick-fil-A just opens up, all right? All right, Chick-fil-A, cool. Everybody knows it's the best fast food. The mascot is outside, the cow. You know the guy, don't eat beef or something like that? He's outside. We go in the drive-thru, it takes forever. We're in there for like almost an hour. I run out, and I snag a little picture with him. Who doesn't like Chick-fil-A? Next up, right at the end of the summer, we took a little trip over to Florida, all got in the car together, stayed at a nice little resort right outside of Florida, right outside of Disney. Obviously, we went to Disney. We were practically sleeping on top of each other, so that definitely kindled our friendship a bit. But as we keep going, you're gonna start to notice things are getting a little empty, you know, a little more dry. You can take this one of two ways. Number one, I got lazy. Number two, it just means there are more opportunities for those memories to be made. It doesn't end that summer. Things are still lively and going fresh. And it's just nice to have a good perspective on it. So that's everything.